This is one thing that makes seven-figure Amazon sellers thrive and beginners struggle. And here is a crazy fact. You can easily 10x your Amazon sales just by making it to page 1 without changing the price, just by showing up where buyers actually look. Think about your own buying pattern. When was the last time you calmly went to page number 2? Exactly. More than 90% of Amazon sales happen right on the first page, and most of them comes from the top rows. So if you are not there, you are basically donating your market share to your competitors. Hi, my name is Anup Patel. I'm founder of Ads Zenith. I have been managing Amazon ads for the last 6 years. And I have scaled 500 plus brands with solid ranking strategies. Here are some screenshots showing our success. So everything I'm going to share in this video is practical and has been tested thousands of times. Now let's talk about how to actually rank on page number 1 and put our ads in the top row. Ranking on Amazon has two parts: SEO plus PPC. SEO simply means you need relevant plus high search volume keywords in your title, in your bullets, in your backend keywords that tells Amazon, hey, this product belongs here. And PPC means you should be actively targeting those same keywords in your ad. And when you blend SEO plus PPC, Amazon does something magical. It starts testing you. It gives you ranking opportunities on those specific keywords. Now, during that testing period, your CTR and CVR decide your fate. CTR simply means when Amazon shows your products to people, do they click? CVR means after they click, do they buy? If Amazon shows you 1,000 times and nobody clicks, that's a CTR problem. And Amazon is like, bro, I tried, but they are not interested. And if people do click, but they bail after seeing your product detail page, that's a CVR problem. That is buyers saying, nice product, but for someone else. To fix CTR, focus on what buyers actually see on the search results page. Your main images, first 80 characters of your title, and pricing. That's it. Buyers can't see your A+ content here. Your main image should make it obvious what the product is, and at the same time try to show some additional details also, maybe active ingredients and main keywords, of course without getting suppressed. To fix CVR, eliminate objections on the product detail pages. Buyers have silent questions when they jump on your product detail page. The questions are, will it fit, will it work, and is it worth the price? If you answer those questions through your images, your bullets, your reviews and A+ content, you win the sales without competing on price. At the same time, use high quality graphics on your product detail pages because buyers want premium products, and at this point they can't touch or feel your product, so your graphics is going to do the job here. Okay, now let's assume you have fixed your CTR and CVR. Time to rank. So there are 3 steps in the ranking process. Step number 1, find keywords. To find keywords for SEO and PPC, use Helium 10 and Search Query Performance Report. In Helium 10, go to Cerebro and pull the keywords that are giving most of the sales to your top competitors. These are proven and tested keywords. Place these keywords in your title, in your bullets, and in your backend keywords. You need to add all the available and relevant keywords in the listing copy and backend, but you cannot push for ranking on all the available keywords at the same time because it will cost you a lot of money to do so. So choose your keywords to rank wisely. Now let's talk about the second method of finding keywords. If you already have some sales history, you will find all the keywords that are working for you in Search Query Performance Report inside Seller Central itself. And once you download your Search Query Performance Report, check for these 3 metrics. Number 1, search query score. Number 2, impression share. And number 3, purchase share. Search query score 1 keyword is most important keyword for you because this is driving most of the sales and traffic organically and with ads. Impression shares is what is your share for impressions on these keywords. Lower impression shares means you need more ads on this keyword. And purchase share is your share of total sales on this keyword. Okay, so now I assume you have your list of keywords ready. Step 2, PPC launch strategy. Usually 3 to 5 keywords drive 80% of sales for any product. For these high power keywords, create single keyword campaigns, 1 campaign per keyword, and create 2 versions, phrase match and exact match. Phrase match helps you show your ads on close variants of the keywords and related searches, and exact match helps you push ranking harder. For the rest of the keywords, run exact, phrase and broad all three campaigns. Just keep two rules in the mind. Rule number 1, less than 10 keywords per campaign. It gives each keyword more room to perform. Rule number 2, don't mix match types. Keep exact separate from phrase and broad separate from both. When you separate match types, you get cleaner data and tighter control over bids. Now, step number 3, last tip. Track ranking using Helium 10 or any other similar tool. Don't guess ranking. If your keywords are climbing, keep pushing. If they stall, adjust bids or conversion. So that's the ranking flywheel. SEO plus PPC gets you seen, CTR gets you clicked, and CVR gets you bought. And when you fix these 4, Amazon rewards you with ranking. And once you hit the top, sales feel a whole lot easier. Drop a comment if you want me to break down this ranking strategy for supplements, beauty, coffee, electronics, or your niche specifically. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Hit a like if you did, and do subscribe if you want to keep watching these kind of unfiltered Amazon PPC strategy videos. So that's it for today's video. Let's meet very soon with a new video with a new topic.